आरिफ ज़फ़र मंसूरी साहब लॉस एंजलिस के कामयाब सनतकार हैं और पाकिस्तान में रफ़ाही कामों के लिए जाने जाते हैं।
I could not have imagined then that I would be back here to receive such a prestigious award. I am really honored to be here today. I would like to thank His Excellency, the President of Pakistan, Honorable Dr. ARY Mansuri, for presenting me with this Medal of Excellence. And also, I'd like to thank my wife, Zeddy, and daughter, Jelmin, for their unwavering support. God bless you all. God bless Pakistan. And God bless all the Pakistanis, wherever they may live around the globe. Thank you. I'd like to call the meeting to order. Before we begin the proceedings of today, I would like to say a few words to my colleagues. Dear esteemed members of the Planning Commission, I am deeply honored to have been elected as the chairman of the Planning Commission. It is with great humility that I accept this role, and I want to take a moment to express my gratitude to each and every one of you. I'd like to thank each member of the Commission for placing their trust in me and for electing me to this esteemed position. I am aware of the great responsibility that comes with this position, and I promise to do my utmost to serve this Commission to the best of my ability.